Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun. Let's start.
I will wake up early. I will brush my teeth. I will eat my breakfast. I will go to work. I will study English today. I will call my mom. I will clean my room. I will walk my dog. I will drink some water. I will buy some bread. I will cook rice tonight. I will take a shower. I will read a book. I will watch the news. I will write an email. I will play some music. I will meet my friends. I will go to sleep. I will visit my grandma. I will paint my room. I will start a new job. I will learn to drive. I will save more money. I will travel to Paris. I will buy new shoes. I will help my brother. I will drink some coffee. I will make a plan. It'll be a good day. There will be some rain. I will visit my parents. I will wash the dishes. I will check my email. I will make some tea. I will call my teacher. I will take the bus. I will work on Monday. I will eat some fruit. I will drink more water. I will go for a walk.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I will fix my bike. I will watch a movie. I will listen to music. I will buy a new pen. I will study every day. I will wake up early. I will clean my house. I will draw a picture. I will open the window. I will wear my jacket. I will call my friends. I will try something new. I will take some photos. I will go to the park. I will visit the city. I will watch the stars. I will write a story. I will learn a song. I will send a message. I will paint a picture. I will help my friend. I will go to the gym. I will cook something new. I will meet new people. I will travel next month. I will stay at home. I will drink hot chocolate. I will visit my cousin. I will sleep early tonight. I will start a new book. I will smile every day. I will enjoy my time. I will finish my homework. I will rest after work. I will learn new words. I will make my bed. I will write in my diary. I will watch the sunset. I will go shopping tomorrow. I will bake a cake. I will draw some flowers. I will take a photo. I will play the guitar. I will send you a text. I will visit the doctor. I will buy some milk. I will open the door. I will help my sister. I will drink green tea. I will rest on Sunday. I will study for my test.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.